Follistim Aq Cartridge contains follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and is used to treat certain fertility problems in women and men. In women, it helps stimulate healthy ovaries to produce eggs and is usually used in combination with another hormone, HCG, to bring about the growth and release of a mature egg, ovulation. In men, it helps stimulate healthy testes to produce sperm and is also used in combination with HCG. This medication is not recommended for women whose ovaries no longer make eggs properly, primary ovarian failure, or for men whose testes no longer make sperm properly, primary testicular failure. The daily dosage and optimal timing of Follistim Aq Cartridge should be determined by a healthcare professional. Before using Follistim Aq Cartridge, it's important to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. This medication must be used with the prescribed pen device and pen needle. Always check the product visually for particles or discoloration before using it, and if either is present, do not use the liquid. If the medication is stored in the refrigerator, make sure to allow it to warm to room temperature before use. Follistim Aq Cartridge should be injected under the skin as directed by your doctor. Before each dose, clean the injection site with rubbing alcohol and change the injection site each time to lessen injury under the skin. The dosage of Follistim Aq Cartridge is based on your medical condition, response to treatment, and lab tests. It's important to use this medication exactly as directed by your doctor to get the most benefit from it. Do not increase your dose or use this drug more often or for longer than prescribed. It's also crucial to learn how to store and discard needles and medical supplies safely. Remember, always consult your doctor before switching to a different brand or type of medication. And, as always, follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional and the product package for the best results. Some common side effects of Follistim Aq Cartridge may include headache, stomach pain, bloating, redness/pain at the injection site, or breast tenderness/pain. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has determined that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, you should contact your doctor right away if you experience any of the following serious side effects: flu-like symptoms, such as fever, chills, muscle ache, tiredness, bleeding from the vagina, or swelling of ankles/hands/feet. In rare cases, this medication may cause a condition known as ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, OHSS, which can lead to serious symptoms such as severe pain or swelling in the lower abdominal, pelvic area, severe nausea/vomiting, sudden/rapid weight gain, or decreased urination. It's important to seek medical help immediately if you develop any of these symptoms. Additionally, a serious allergic reaction to Follistim Aq Cartridge is rare, but you should seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice other effects not listed above, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist for further guidance. Before starting Follistim Aq Cartridge, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, streptomycin, neomycin, or any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. Inform your doctor about your medical history, especially if you have had abnormal bleeding from the vagina or uterus, thyroid problems, adrenal gland problems, reproductive organ cancer, brain tumor, ovarian cysts, fertility problems, blood clots, stroke, heart diseases, lung problems, or if you are using any other prescription or non-prescription drugs, or herbal products. It's important to note that using this medication may lead to multiple births. If you have any concerns about this, make sure to discuss it with your doctor. If you become pregnant while using Follistim Aq Cartridge, stop using it immediately as it must not be used during pregnancy. It's crucial to inform your doctor right away if you suspect that you may be pregnant. Lastly, if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication as it is unclear if the drug passes into breast milk. When taking Follistim Aq Cartridge, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that may affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important to seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. One product that may interact with Follistim Aq Cartridge is gonadorelin. Be sure to discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider to ensure the safe and effective use of this medication. If someone has taken too much Follistim Aq Cartridge and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical assistance. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for support. It is crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure the individual receives the necessary help. It's important not to share Follistim Aq Cartridge with others. Your doctor may also require you to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as vaginal ultrasound, hormone level checks, and semen tests, while you are using this medication. Make sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose, check with your doctor or pharmacist to make a new dosing schedule. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. After using the Follistim Aq Cartridge, you can store it in the refrigerator or at room temperature for up to 28 days. Make sure to keep it away from light, and do not freeze it. Additionally, do not store it in the bathroom. When you no longer need the product or it has expired, consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. And remember, always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.